claims a stay at the Duchesne County Jail nearly cost him his life. The jail has come under recent fire following the deaths of two women who died while in custody. Corey Knight says it wasn't until he was transferred to the Uintah County Jail that he got the medical help he had been pleading for. Behind every crime, there's a story, and the truth matters. Here's ABC4's senior crime and punishment correspondent Marcos Ortiz with the Justice Files.
It all started when Corey Knight hurt his elbow. He was later arrested in Roosevelt, and he says for the next 5 days lived in pain because he wasn't getting medical treatment at the county jail.
My whole arm, and it just like you touched it, it would hurt. You'd look at it and it would hurt. It was so enlarged, my whole hand was swollen.
Including his arm. Corey Knight claimed it was the size of a grapefruit during his stay at the Duchesne County Jail. He says he spent 5 days in jail, and every day he asked for medical help. But he says he was only given an ice pack and ibuprofen.
They would take a picture, and then they would either come back to me a couple hours later and say, it's not life-threatening, it's not severe. The doctor said you're fine.
It wasn't until he came before a judge that he threatened to sue if he didn't get medical help. That's when Knight says he was transferred to the Uintah County Jail from where the warrant for his arrest was issued.
I was released on promise up here because of the condition. They told me to go to the emergency room.
He claims he was diagnosed with MRSA, an infection caused by the lack of medical treatment. A state epidemiologist says MRSA is common, but it needs to be treated.
If it gets into a wound or gets into part of the body where it shouldn't be, then it can start causing problems.
Last year, medical care at the Duchesne County Jail came into question. This after the parents of Madison Jensen sued after she died from drug withdrawals. She's the second inmate to die while in custody.
We've changed sheriffs, but obviously the internal of the jail hasn't changed.
Her father befriended Knight after seeing his injury.
The swelling was ridiculous when I seen it, and when I touched it, it was so hot to the touch. When you could see the fluid move, when you pushed his skin, it would go white, then you release, it would go back red again. I mean, it was just horrible.
Knight is being treated with antibiotics, but he's at the hospital daily to make sure his kidneys don't fail.
I could have lost my life if not been treated even a day or two longer. I could have lost limbs, anything. I mean, it's just something not to mess with.
A spokesman for the Duchesne County Sheriff's Office says Knight did have an appointment to see a doctor, but he was transferred to the Uintah County Jail before that could happen. For the Justice Files, Marcos Ortiz, ABC4 News.